Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Online. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to fix Viber not sending messages problem. If you're unable to send a message on your Viber app, there might be several reasons for that. We'll be going through some of the fixes you could try out in order to resolve the issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The most common reason why you are not being able to send messages on Viber are maybe you are working on with a poor internet connection. So first, make sure to be connected to a stable internet. If it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, you can also try switching between them and find the best connection for yourself. And once you have a stable connection, tap open Viber and try sending the message again. If you're still not being able to send the message, then it is also possible that the recipient might have blocked you on Viber. The next thing to do in order to fix the issue is to go ahead and check if you've updated the latest version of Viber. Tap open App Store or your Play Store and search for Viber. If you see an update button popping up right next to the application, you can simply tap on the update button to download the latest update for Viber. If you see an open button, it means you can skip the updating process. Once you have the latest version, go back to Viber app and see if that fixes the issue. If it still does not work, then the next thing to do is to simply clear out cache data from your Viber app. Simply go tap open settings, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap general. Tap on iPhone storage, and from the list of the apps displayed, search for Viber and give it a tap. Tap offload app and tap on offload app one more time at the bottom. This will bring up the reinstall app option. Give it a tap on reinstall app and reinstall the application back again on your mobile device. Now, doing this will delete the application and reinstall it, but all of the app-related data will be kept safely. Once you reinstall the Viber application, then you might be able to solve your issue. Simply tap open Viber and check if that message is sent. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever your Viber application is not being able to send the text message to one of your contacts. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.